Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do this Halloween look for you all. So I'm just starting by priming my eyes and then I'm just going to buff that product in. And I didn't really show you all the palette that I used for this look, but I really just went into one palette, and that was the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and that's what I used for my entire eyeshadow look for today. So I used some of that yellow shade, that orange shade, and then this dark brown shade, and you already know I just buffed them in all together till I got that perfect blend. So now I'm going to start to cut my crease with that P. Louise eyeshadow base. And I'm actually going to wing my cut crease today because I want it to kind of be a simple yet a little bit dramatic look. Because it's, I'm doing a Halloween look for you all. And I want, my face is going to be half beat and half, skull, dark side or whatever. It's just gonna come out real cute in the end. And I'm actually gonna do a couple more Halloween looks for you all as well right before this month ends, because I like doing these Halloween looks. It's therapeutic for me and it's fun creating these looks. So I hope you all subscribe to my channel so you won't miss these next couple Halloween looks that I'm gonna do. So you all know that I use NYC liquid liner for all my makeup tutorials. And for foundation today, I'm using my NARS foundation, and I'm just going to buff it only on one side of my face because, like I said before, I'm doing a half skull, half beat look. So I'm only going to put that foundation on one side of my face. For concealer today, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I was going to use my Tarte Tape Shape, but I didn't want to use my more expensive concealer because I'm about to wipe this right on off after I finish this video. So I'm just going to go in with that concealer, and I'm going to place it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead, on the top of my lips, and on a little bit on my chin as well. I'm going to set underneath my eyes with some Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm just setting everywhere that I place that highlight. Alright, so here comes the fun part. So what I decided to use today was my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I have it in I think it's the shade 0. It's the white eyeshadow base, and I just placed that all over that side of my face for this skull look today. And that served as a base, and it also serves just as the white pigment for this skull look. So I apologize to you all if the lighting changed. Well, the lighting actually did change on my video because my softbox kept flickering, and I'm gonna have to replace it. I ain't got time for it to keep flickering throughout my video, so I just cut it off. But I'm going to start to fill in my skull. I'm gonna first start by shading it in the nose, and then I'm going to start to carve out the eye area as well as outlining my face for this skull look as well. I'm only using eyeshadow. I always use eyeshadow for these Halloween looks. I feel like use what you got. You don't got to go out and buy no expensive paint or whatever little stuff they be using, but I just use what I have, and that is my eyeshadow. Okay, so here I was gonna take this white pencil and just use it to create like these highlighted areas for the skull just to make it look more realistic, but using that alone, it didn't work for me. So what I was doing was kind of dipping it in the eyeshadow base, that P. Louise eyeshadow base, and then just dragging it onto the areas that I wanted to highlight for this skull look. And then right here, I'm just placing some white eyeshadow and just kind of adding some finishing touches to this this skull look. I'm going to put on my lashes, and then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips just with some random brown eyeliner, or not eyeliner, but you can use eyeliner if that's what you got. But that's what I'm lining my lips with. And then I'm going to take this Color Rain lipstick that I have, and I'm going to place that on my lips. And after that, this is the completed look of this Halloween look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. I love you all so much. Stay tuned for the next video.